नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna. So welcome back devotees to the new lecture. We'll be covering the purport of the last verse, which was 22nd verse of the 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th canto. So without wasting any time, we will be jumping onto the purport. So the purport given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srila Prabhupada says that material life is such that due to indulgence in illicit sex, gambling, intoxication, and meat eating, the four regulative principles को तोड़कर which any of the act we commit, the conditioned soul is always in a dangerous condition. Yes, meat eating and intoxication excite the senses more and more, and the conditioned soul falls victim to women. Yes, uh, so these are all connected into cycles. um, I am a science student, so I study vectors. इसमें क्या है, आई जे और के, आई कैप जे कैप और के कैप का जो साइकिल बनता है, आई कैप इंटू जे कैप इक्वल्स टू के कैप, जे कैप इंटू के कैप इक्वल्स टू आई कैप, ऐसे साइकिल आता है. सो दैट साइकिल सेम, meat eating and intoxication leads to women, which means illicit sex, and this leads to cycle again and again. This cycle continues, and this cycle का स्टेयरिंग व्हील लगा हुआ है, उसका जीपीएस लगा हुआ है नर्क की ओर. यस. सो इन ऑर्डर टू कीप वुमेन, money is required, and to acquire money one begs, borrows, or steals. Indeed, he commits abominable acts that cause him to suffer both in this life and in the next. Consequently, illicit sex must be stopped by those who are spiritually inclined or who are on the path of spiritual realization. Yes, right now, पहले तो क्या था कि one has to go to brothels or anything to conduct illicit sex life, but now this all everything is now present in this, or this you are any device you are seeing. So right now this illicit sex life is available at one or two clicks away only. So the material life is just right now the material society is now making the our way to go to hell more and more easy. काटे काटे भरा था पहले तो कि one was very much shameful कि वो magazine खरीदना या going to some brothel, but right now one without any shame he can commit in his room is act of illicit sex life any second, any moment. So the our path to go to hell has become very much easier due to our thanks to the new material society. Yes. Progress चल रहा है, progress. You must understand so called progress. Many devotees fall down due to illicit sex. Yes, Shripad knows. But Shripad also says that one who is spiritually inclined, this act of illicit sex life must be stopped to the nil point. They may steal money and even fall down from the highly honored, renounced order. Then, for a livelihood, they accept menial service and become beggars. It is therefore and said in the Shastras, Yan Maithunadi Grihamedi Sukham Hi Tucham. Materialism is based on sex, whether illicit or licit. Sex is full of dangers, even for those who are addicted to household life. सो ऐसा भी नहीं कि वो तो ब्रह्मचारी लोग करेंगे, हम तो गृहस्थ लोग, हम तो अपना भोग करेंगे, उसमें क्या है. हमको तो पास मिल गया ना, वो सो कॉल्ड गृहस्थ आश्रम वाला पास. उसमें होता है कि यू कैन कमिट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, बट हियर Prabhupada says or this verse says that whether illicit or illicit, sex is full of danger. Yes, even for those who are addicted to household life, whether one has a license मैंने बात किया अभी, whether one has a license for it or not, there is great trouble, बहु दुख भाक. After one indulges in sex, many volumes of miseries ensue. We don't understand this, but after conducting any of these acts, so much burden of volumes. Here Shripad is saying volumes means so much high in quantity, large quantity का miseries हमारे कंधे पर आ जाता है, but we don't understand. I have made a list, but right now I don't know कहाँ पे चला गया वो list, but I have mentioned all the things which will be happening, which will happen to me if I engage in any of these activities. So yes, and that page was fully filled, I must mention. One suffers more and more in material life. A miserly person cannot properly utilize the wealth he has, and similarly, a materialistic person misuses the human form. Yes, we have got. There is a very beautiful song, Vaishnava song, sung by Shri Narottam Das Thakur. That is, he says he is such a great personality, stalwart devotee. He is saying he was a मतलब परी करते हैं चैतन्य महाप्रभु के, बट ही इज सिंगिंग दैट हरि हरि बिफले जन्म गुआइनु, मनुष्य जन्म पाया राधा कृष्ण ना भजिया, जानिया शून्य विष खाइनु. I have got this मनुष्य जन्म, human form of life, and still I have not done the bhajan or not sing the glories of Shri Shri Radha and Krishna. I have knowingly taken poison. So here is such a great stalwart devotee who is a parikar of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna. He is Manjari in the Leela of Radha Krishna, but still he is singing. But here we are so much fallen, but still we think ourselves very much a great person. Ki Are I am this, I am that. A miserly person cannot utilize his the wealth he has, and similarly a materialistic person misuses the human form. Instead of using it for spiritual emancipation, or we can say spiritual progress, he uses the body for sense gratification. Therefore he is called a miser. Hare Krishna. So here this, by this we must understand ki he uses the body for sense gratification, therefore he is called a miser. So therefore he is called a miser. Miser means one who is a not miser means who just his only act is taking malab conducting things which are not good for the society, or creating a havoc in the society, and 99% of our population is this type of person. Everyone are miser right now who are not devotees. So that was it for today's verse. We will be taking the 23rd verse in the next video. So thank you for listening to this lecture. Hare Krishna. Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Shri Shri Radha Giridhari Bhagwan ki jai. Shri Srimad Bhagavatam Mahapuran ki jai. If you have any questions or anything you want to recommend to me, the comment section is open for all of you. So thank you. We will be taking the 23rd verse next time. Hare Krishna.